I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Search and select Action Perfex CRM. Give here an Access API URL and API token. So go to Perfex CRM Dashboard. API CRM Manager. Copy the API URL. And paste it here. Then go to API Management. New token. Give here a meaningful name and expiration date. Give all the permission by checking the box. Envier. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Choose a customer. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Perfex CRM site and go to the customer. Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Perfex CRM site. Thanks for watching.